You want to dedicate your life doing something that is around your strength, something that is around your passion, something that you love, something that you perform better at. Because if you choose the wrong thing, guess what happens? It turns your 1 hour into 5 hours. It means whatever you do becomes a mission. These are people as well, when you go to work and they say, oh my goodness, I can't wait, for 4:30 in the afternoon. It's going to be a long day today, and you always look forward to Fridays. And you hate your Sundays because they literally hand you over to Mondays. And the week becomes too long. That's how you get to see that you don't like what you're doing. You have not built something around your strengths. And then, you try to cut corners and do as little as possible. Then, you are doing yourself a disservice. Because you are supposed to be spending that time doing something that's going to make a whole lot of sense to you and the world. But you're just doing it for money. Yes, at the beginning, do something for the money because we've got things to do. But along the way, you want to go through this journey of discovering yourself so that at the end, you build something around your strengths and your passion. And then that's when you stop, focusing on something that you are just only, as long as they pay me, it's okay. It's a painful life to live like that.